welcome to Melissa Crafts. I'm going to be making a unicorn bookmark, and you're going to need some markers, glue, and scissors, and some paper. Now, let's get started. Yeah! And first, you need to sketch out the unicorn you're going to draw, and you can make mistakes because you can erase it, not like cutting it out. You can't fix it again. So just draw with a pencil. And when you're done sketching it out, you gotta sketch out the mane next. So now you got the two main parts, and now you need to cut both of them out. And when you're done cutting it out, those two out, you're gonna need a strip of the same kind of paper that's like 2 centimeters wide and a hand long. And now you need a hot glue gun to put these together. And the reason I'm putting these two together is because I'm making a 3D effect that you can't make without 2 pieces, and that's what I'm doing. And now color it any color you want. There. And now the strip needs to be colored too, any color you want. There. And now you need to put these two together to make the bookmark 3D. Now you're done with your 3D unicorn bookmark. And this is the Magic Treehouse book I'm reading, and I'm using this paper for my bookmark, and now I don't need it anymore. I can use this as my bookmark now. Do you like it? I hope you like the 3D unicorn bookmark. And if you do, press the thumbs up for the video. And thanks for watching. Bye!